Gunav, Yash Desai, turn on your camera. Migdad, turn on your camera, please. See, it's 9:32. Students are still joining. Students, now please listen. Twisha and Ekant, those who are joining now after the timings, please listen it carefully. If you have a network issue, try to join the class 5 minutes, 10 minutes before. Okay, from tomorrow onwards, the link is going to be blocked exact at 9:30. There are still 8 students who will join. Yash, why you two with the two IDs? Mohit, 2 minutes late in the class. Okay, I am going to start my class. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning,
So,
ma'am.
which chapter we have started?
Good morning, ma'am.
How
Ma'am,
big, how
how
heavy?
how
How big, how heavy?
how big, how heavy?
How big, how heavy? So, in this chapter, we are learning about the volume. How big means we need to learn the volume of an object, we need to learn the space occupied by an object, and how heavy the object is. Right? Daksh Patel, Jahan Agarwal, every day coming late. Every day 3 to 4 minutes coming late. And turn on your camera and sit in the class. Jahan Agarwal, Rudra Master, Mohit, Miktat,
Ma'am, my
turn on your camera, please. Ekansh, Twisha, turn on your camera, please. Twisha, turn on your camera, please. Ekansh, yes. Gunav, Migdad. So in this, we are learning about the volume, and we have done the activity also on that how to see the volume of the irregular 3D object. Samriddhi, sit properly. How to see the volume of an irregular 3D figures, 3D shapes, or 3D objects. So that we have tested with the help of the water, and the volume will increase, the level will increase, and that is the volume of an object. That we have done in the last class. You all remember that? Yes or
ma'am.
no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, be active participant in the class. Now please take out your textbook, page number 187. Same things which we have done in the practical way, we are going to read it in the theoretical form in the textbook. They have already done the experiments, and that we are going to read them. Sarika collects things like marbles, coins, eraser, etc. And she takes some water in a glass and marks the level of the water as a 0. And then she wants to see the volume of the objects. If I draw 5 marbles in this glass, can you guess that what will happen? What will be the level of the water? I think this one the child is saying. Then they are practically seeing it. She drops 5 marbles in the glass. Students, just a minute. Give me 1 minute. Give me 1 minute. Yes, so I'll come back on that. So if I drop 5 marbles in the, she drops 5 marbles in the grass, and she marks the level of the water as the 5 marbles increasing. Oh, how did you guess? Do you know the volume of a marble? I just made a guess about how much water will be pushed up by the marbles, and how do you find the volume? That child exactly told us. A girl was shocked. Do you know what is the volume and how to find? Then he said, no, I just guessed कि हो सकता है इतना marble, the volume of will be that much. See, each marble pushes up some water, right? That is the space. It takes up some space, that which is the volume. Its volume. till that we have already done. Go to the next page, turn the page, page number 188. How now make a guess. Do you think the volume of 10 5 10 5 rupee coin will be more than that of 10 marbles? That also you have to first make a measuring. Turn off your mics, please. This is the measuring glass which is shown here or in your books is made by with the marbles. First 0 level, then 5 marbles, then 10 marble level, then 15 marbles. Now after making this measuring glass with the help of the marbles, then now what you will do, you will check what is the volume of the 10 5 rupee coin. You all know the coins are coming.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
They are saying, are they both the marble 10 marbles and the 10 5 rupee coin, the volume is same or not? That you
No.
can that you can check. Why no? Because
Ma'am,
Marble
because
is
the
more heavy than
marble.
coin.
marbles are heavy. Yes.
Marble has
How to do
marble
this
has more
experiment?
Marble is
and they are spherical, but coins are circular and not have that much volume.
Rudra, one child is already speaking, so you need to wait. Wait, students. Ayush, just please speak.
Yes, marble are spherical, so basically it is the coin plus a little more volume.
Okay, so which will take more volume, the marble or the, according to you, which will take more volume? Marble or the
Marble will
5 rupee?
definitely take more volume.
And Rudra, you?
Ma'am, the marble has more volume than the coin.
Okay. Can you explain why?
Ma'am, in that the coin
Anushka, if
is.
you have 5 rupee coins and the marbles, and you can show us with the practical.
Ma'am,
Like
the
ma'am,
coin
you
is.
put in the marbles. Yes, ma'am, I'll take. I'll
Yeah.
do it. I'll need some time.
Bring some 5 rupee coins
Yeah, ma'am. I'm
and the
just
marbles. We can
getting it up.
balance and see whether both are coming same or not. Okay. Then we will check practically also. By the time she will be ready, and now we can hear. A ball is nearly dash marbles. So what after making this measuring glass, put a ball inside it, the small ball. Glass में बड़ी ball तो नहीं आएगी, small ball or a small. You can see that what will be the or yeah, you can see what will be the volume of that small marble according to how many marbles. Suppose if I say 15 marbles equals to same as the ball. An eraser, फिर एक छोटा सा eraser भी डाल के, lemon, small lemon, pencil का small piece डाल के देखो. Potato will be very big, so small potato put, and then see the volume of that potato. These are the activity which you can try and make the measuring glass, and with the measuring glass you have to do these activities at home. Am I clear?
Yes.
So they act, this is my guess that 4 to 5 marbles के according one barber का होगा. Eraser is according 2 marbles, lemon is 5 marbles, pencil is 3 marbles, and the potato is, just a minute. So now this is the activity which you can do. Make your own measuring glass using 35 marbles. This also, take a glass of water, mark a 0 level, then put 5 marbles, mark the level of the 5 marbles. This is the activity which is given how to make the measuring glass. Now put each thing in the measuring glass and check your guess. Maybe this you also have to try. Any confusion for these activities?
No.
Will you try it at home and
Yes.
tell me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now, which has more volume? Can you tell me the volume of 6 marbles in milliliter? This is also by the measuring bottle. This also activity based on the volume. How to find the volume of the different things by measuring glass, by measuring bottle. So now we are going on the how to see the volume on the basis of cubes. Okay. Wait a minute.
Ma'am, I had bring some things that book that written. No, I bring all
Huh.
the things. Can I show?
Okay. Yeah, please.
Okay, ma'am. A minute.
Okay.
I had
Actually, you need to tell us that the ball is of how many equals to. So first, your measuring glass should be ready. Your measuring glass is not ready. Measuring glass should be ready according to the marble's volume.
Okay.
Because we are comparing with the volume of the marbles and the volume of the another object.
A minute.
Got it?
I'm doing that too.
No problem. In the next class, keep your glass ready with the measuring glass, with the volume of the marbles, and then we need to compare the other objects compare with the volume of the marbles. Okay. At the end of the class, also you have to be ready and tell me, no problem. Now, this is done. Now, coming on how many can fit. As I told you, we can measure the volume with the help of the. Yes, Anushka.
Yeah, ma'am. I'm ready.
Yes, please.
Ma'am, this level is 20 right now
Mm-hmm.
in the measuring cup. I'm putting 10 5 rupee coins.
Mm.
Sorry, ma'am, the level was 10. Still, the level was 10. Wasn't
Mm.
20. Now,
Okay.
no, it is 20 now. No,
Before, at the initial level, it was
10.
10.
It is now 25.
Ma'am, so after that, when we find the level of, when we find
Ma'am,
the
it is
mass
30
volume
now.
of 10 coins, then we can do division and find of one coin, right?
Ma'am,
Yes, yes. If you know the volume of 10 coins, you can easily find the
ma'am,
volume of one coin
the volume of
by
one
dividing
10 coin is 2 because the total volume is 20.
20. So the level only rise by 10.
No, the level was 10. Now it is 30, so it
Now
rises by 20.
20. Okay. So the volume of each coin is
2.
2. 10 divided by
2.
20 divided by 10 is
10.
2. So you got the volume of one coin also 2. And now you need to find, you need to put 10 marbles also and see whether the level is increasing or rising same or not. If they're not
Okay.
rising same, means the coins are more having more value or the compared to the marbles, or if it is rising the same, so you can say they are both same. If it is is rising more and the coin is not, means the marbles are taking more volume compared to the coins. This is the differentiate which you can find out when you do this activity. Karnav, you are late in the class. Vedi, late in class.
Ma'am, today my network
Siddhant,
not working.
last
On my
class also
computer.
your network was not working from the
Yes,
first class.
yes, ma'am. I do not understand why net is not working.
Beta, to join 10 minutes before. Start joining
I'm
10 minutes.
going to,
Okay, ma'am.
should I show you with the marbles?
Ma'am, I'm
Yes.
doing from 20.
Yeah, I'm just taking out the marbles.
Yes, yes, no problem. You to be ready, and meantime we can discuss. Now you know there is one more thing.
Ma'am,
Yeah,
can I show
ready.
you with my stones?
I'm ready.
Yes, Anushka, please show me.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
can I show you with my stones?
Yes, yes, I will see. Yes, be ready. Just be ready, I will see.
Level is 20 here.
Hmm.
20, the water level.
Hmm. 20, no, keep the 10 only. Because when you are putting the coins, that time also you have put the
Ma'am,
10. No?
ma'am, it was 20 only, 20 only because I've not changed the water yet.
Okay, okay. So means it is increased only 10.
Yeah. I've, mm, I think it is 25 now
Hmm.
after 4 marbles.
Put all the 10 marbles together
Okay.
and see whether the level is increasing.
10. Ma'am, the level is 35.
35, and when you have put the coins it is 30. So
Yeah.
a marble is occupying more space, and it means the volume of the marbles is more because they are in
Right.
circular shape. They are spaces, they are taking more space. Yes, so
But
the
ma'am,
yes.
like my marbles are not like the same size. I can show you
Mhm.
because they're looking a bit different than other. That some are a bit little big and some are a bit little small. I'm thinking. I'll
Okay,
show-
no problem, but
I just think this one is the small.
yeah,
Rest are the same. No,
but
ma'am, all the same. All are the same. I'm just
yeah, but
confused.
the thing is the circular objects will take more volume compared to the flat objects. Okay, yes,
2.5.
yes, you are ready.
Yes, ma'am, I'm ready.
Okay, yes, you are showing us the volume of the
Yes, ma'am, see.
hmm.
Ma'am, the water level is around 200 millimeter, okay?
Hmm.
Um, Ma'am, it became almost two. No, ma'am, it became like 270 like that.
No, so you are checking the volume of the stones, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. Okay, so you are not comparing with any other objects. You are checking the volume because stones are some are big, some are small. They are not standard stones,
No,
right?
ma'am, I'm comparing
You are comparing with what?
with coins.
With coins. So coins are of standard size, right? Coin जो है वो सब एक जैसे दिखेंगे आपको,
So,
पर आपके
definitely
stones
the
जो हैं
bigger one.
वो standard नहीं है, वो different sizes के हैं. So you cannot compare them. Got
Okay,
it?
ma'am, can I do?
Because why we comparing with marbles and the coins? Because marbles are also standard with the standard size, and the coins are also standard size. That's why we are comparing them. Okay. Like now we are comparing lemon. If we take lemons, the size will be different. The volume will be different. So no problem. You try at home. Now we come that if the object is this, right now we have discussed how to, till now we have discussed how to measure the volume of the irregular objects. Irregular means those who don't have the exact what? Exact shape. Like for
Big.
example, yes, for example, if you have cube and a cuboid, the 3D objects. For cube and cuboid 3D object, you can easily find the volume with the help of the cubes, with the help of the formula that we will learn slowly. Now, suppose this is a 3D box in my hand, right? And I have some small cubes. Suppose this one cube, I'm telling suppose, not I'm exactly telling, it is suppose this is of 1 centimeter cube, means 1 centimeter length, 1 centimeter height, and 1 centimeter breadth. You all know length, breadth, and height. When you multiply, you will get the volume. So, what will be the volume of this cubic unit? Is 1 centimeter cube, because 3 times centimeter multiplying, because this is also 3 centimeter, this is also 3 times centimeter, that is 1 centimeter cube. You have learned no in the area centimeter square, because there is only length and breadth. Here are the 3 units, length, breadth, and height. That is why the centimeter is having cubic centimeter.
Yes, ma'am,
Clear?
cube. No,
So,
ma'am.
so what is the volume of this cube which is in my hand? If I am telling, suppose the length, breadth, and height is 1 centimeter, what is the volume?
Ma'am, the
answer is one cubic
One only,
centimeter.
because
Ma'am,
one
1 cube
multiply by
centimeter.
1 multiply by 1. Now, with the help of this 1 cubic centimeter units, I'm going to measure the volume of this box. How? See, I am going to put the cubes in the height.
I also have
Okay, ma'am,
dice.
I got it. Ma'am, I got
See,
it. First,
I
you
am
will
going to
measure the height, then you will measure the length, and then you will measure the breadth, and then multiply it.
Yes. Now I will put some in the
Ma'am, so the
That
volume will be
also-
3.
no, wait, beta. I have put 7 in the length. So I'm telling you that in this box I have put 7 in the length. 7 cubes. So cubes we can say, not unit we will use. 7 cubes and 2 in the height. And
Ma'am, I have the cubes of 1.5 and 1 centimeter.
that also we will do. And 4 in the breadth. So do you know how many cubes can fill this box? 2 in the 7 in the length, 4 in the breadth, and 2 in the height. So you can see also in my box, I have arranged them. Please pin on my screen and see how I have arranged them. There are 7 in the height. Oh, no, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in the length. 7 in the length, 2 in the height, and 4 in the breadth. Now, what is the total volume of this box?
Ma'am,
Means
Ma'am,
total
56 cubes.
56 cubes.
ma'am, Ayush has a doubt.
Yes, please.
Ma'am, I don't think 56 will be the volume.
Yes, 56 cubes will be the volume. कि इसके
Yeah,
अंदर इतने
Cubes.
yeah 56
56
cubes.
cubes, not 56.
56
Because
cubes.
1 cube is 3 volume.
इसके अंदर मैं 56 cubes fill कर सकती हूँ.
Yes.
Got it? So what is the volume of this? The volume is, I'm not using meter and centimeter. I am right now using I'm using the cubes.
Yes, but ma'am, 1 cube is 3 volume, na?
No, one
No,
cube
1
is
cube is 1.
one only volume, because I told length is 1, breadth is 1, and the height is also 1. 1 into 1 into 1 is the 1 only.
Alright.
Got it? It's 56 cube. And practically also, if you fill the 56 cubes inside it, so that will be the total volume of this box. Am I clear? Now suppose this cube is in my hand. This cube. So instead of counting how many cubes are total, you can see how many are in the length? 2. How many are in the breadth? 2. How many are in the height?
2.
2. So 2 into 2 into 2 is 8. 2 into 2 into 2.
2
Sorry.
3 is 8. 2
2
3
3
is
is 8.
Ma'am,
2 is 4. 4 2 is 8.
ma'am, even the name of the cube you are holding is 2 by 2. And 2 by 2 by 2 is also it is also called 2 by
And
2
now
by 2.
you can check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 cubes are there. Yes or no?
Even
Yes,
I have
ma'am.
Ma'am, should wait.
Now see, this is another cube in my hand. Now
Ma'am,
we
it's
want
a
to
3
find
by
out
3
how many total cubes are there.
Now can I say?
Instead of, wait a minute. Yes, Vedi, tell me.
Ma'am,
What will be the volume of this cube?
ma'am 3.
No.
Can I?
Yes, Samriddhi.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, 3 is the length, 3 is the breadth,
Ma'am, may I
and
say?
3 is the height.
So what will be the volume?
Multiply by 3.
Answer nikalo.
Ma'am, 27.
Yes. So 27 is the volume of this cube. और आप count कर लो 27 cubes है इसमें. First layer में 9
Yes,
है,
ma'am.
second layer में भी 9 है, another last layer में भी 9 है.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, it is 3 multiplied by 3, 9, and then 9 multiplied by 3 is 27.
Yes.
ma'am, Ayush is showing something on your pen screen.
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, I have 4 types of cube here. 2 by 2, as you showed.
So what is the volume of this?
2 by 2 will be 8.
8. 3 by 3 will be
3 by 3, this will be 27.
27.
Ayush, remove your Ayush.
Yes,
Ayush,
4
remove
by
your
4
blur
will be.
background.
Yeah, it's coming blur.
Oh, ma'am, wait 1 minute. Apply visual effects. Ma'am, now clear?
Hmm.
This is a 4 by 4.
Hmm.
So it will be 4 multiplied by 4. 4 4s are 20. 4
4
4s are. Huh?
4
Yes.
4 are
4s are 16.
16 4s are
Yeah.
Ma'am, 64.
64.
I'm 84.
So you can see
Ma'am,
on the
84.
first layer how many cubes are there?
Ma'am, on the first layer there are 16.
16. 16 plus 16, 32. 32 plus 16,
32 plus
48.
16, 48. Ma'am, it will be
48 plus
64.
16, it will be 64.
Like
Got the volume? How
Yes.
you got how to see the volume?
Yes.
If
And
you
ma'am, I have
count-
one more cube.
आपने पूरा काउंट भी नहीं किया, just length, breadth और height को multiply कर दिया, you got the complete volume of the object.
Ma'am, a 5 by 5.
Yes, 5 by 5, find the height, find the length and find the breadth.
So 25 multiplied by 5 will.
Ma'am, 125.
Ma'am,
125.
Renu, ma'am.
25 with the 5, yes please,
125.
Renu, ma'am,
125.
how should I find the volume of this cube?
Yes, show me.
It's a irregular shape.
No, in this it is not possible, beta.
Ma'am,
We
in
cannot
this it
count
would
in
be
the length,
possible.
breadth. In the length and the breadth, we cannot count. No? Yes.
Straight line can be
Yeah, in this
possible.
it is possible.
That is a
No.
straight line.
Ma'am, is this possible?
It's not a 3D that object, no, जहाँ पे हम ये length, breadth और height का formula ये cube और cuboid में ही लगता है. Cylinder अलग जो
Okay.
objects हैं, that you will learn in the
Ma'am,
grade
not
next.
even in this.
Listen. इसमें possible है. Ayush, wait, mute your mic. Ayush, mute your mic. Darya, mute your mic.
Yes.
The objects which you are showing for finding the volume of these objects is possible, but that is not in your grade 5 level. Grade 5 level only to find the volume of cube and a cuboid. Clear?
Ma'am,
There
another
are
thing.
another method
show
of finding the
cuboid?
volume of a cylinder, another objects that you will learn in the higher grades.
Ma'am, like this is a type of cuboid only. Can I find the volume of this?
Yes.
How?
Length कितनी है इसकी?
Ma'am, like with these triangle things, I should.
No, just
Boxes.
count the boxes.
Boxes.
Just count the boxes.
So there are the triangles on the boxes. This is a snake cube.
Yeah, I know, but you count the complete box.
Count the red one. Count the red part. Count the red part.
I.
Count the boundary.
Now this I want to
Ma'am,
show
it
you
is
one more
10.
thing.
6.
I want
6 by 6, 1, 6, 1.
Ayush, can we come back here?
Yes.
Mute your mic. See, this is also a book math. I will do with your maths book. See, this is your maths book. And we want to see, because this is also a 3D object because it's having a height. Yes or no? So if
Yes,
the
ma'am.
height is 1 centimeter and if the length is You have to measure the length, you have to measure the breadth, length, breadth, and height. You will easily find the volume of this 3D object. Clear? Yes or no? Okay. Now I want to show you one video. Whatever we have learned till now, that only will be shown in the video, and then you will better understand it.
Ma'am, can I just ask one thing? I've counted the boxes and the length is 6, height is 1 and the breadth is 1.
Multiply them.
Yeah, 6 ones are 6 and,
And then
6
6
ones
ones
are
are 6.
Yeah, so it will be 6 is this volume.
Yeah, now listen this carefully. This video is also very interesting. That if you see this much, can you tell me what will be the volume of this object? अगर आपको मैंने ये image दिखा दी.
Yes.
Ma'am, 24.
Priya has given the answer, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And Priya, this is right answer. Students, see, the last layer is filled. 6. If you fill the second layer, because there are 1, 2, 3, 4 layers will be filled. 1 is already filled, 3 you need to fill it. You can see here now.
Rectangular prism is this big shape, and even though it's not filled with cubes, we need to figure out how many cubes would it take to fill up this entire shape. Well, if we move this tall stack of cubes, it can help. Now we can see that there are 6 unit cubes in this bottom layer of the shape. Now, if we think about adding a second layer, we know it would just be another 6 unit cubes. A third layer would be another 6 unit cubes, and a fourth layer would be another 6 unit cubes. And so now we can tell it would take 24 unit cubes to fill up this rectangular prism. Let's look at one of these together. Let's figure out what is the volume of this rectangular prism. Well, when we move the tall stack, how many cubes?
10, ma'am. It's 10.
10. Ma'am, 5 to the 10.
Ma'am, 10.
30. 30.
Tall stack. How many
30.
cubes
Hello?
are on the bottom layer of this shape?
Yes, 30.
You can see there are 10 unit cubes on the bottom layer. So if we were to add a second layer of cubes, how many cubes would be in the second layer?
30.
There would be another 10 unit cubes. And a third layer would be another 10 unit cubes. So how many cubes are in this entire rectangular prism? There would be a total of 30 unit cubes. That's its volume. Here's another problem to practice with. What is the volume of this rectangular prism? Well, when we move the tall stack, how many cubes? Asked. What is the volume of this rectangular prism?
30.
That is will be 30, and this will be also 30. 30.
This
1, 2,
will
3,
also
4,
the
5, 6. 6 1 6, 12, 6, 18, 6, 24, 6, 5, 30. Yes.
Ma'am, 30.
Yes.
30.
Ma'am, 30.
Yes, yes.
Well, when we move the tall stack, how many cubes are in the bottom layer? You can see there are 6 cubes in the bottom layer. Now go ahead and figure this out on your own. What is the volume of this whole rectangular prism? Well, a second layer would be another 6 cubes. A third layer is another 6. A fourth is another 6. And a fifth layer is another 6. If you add this all up, you find the total volume of this shape is 30 unit cubes. Now it's time for you to practice on your own. What is the volume of this rectangular prism?
Tell me.
30. 12.
12 is the correct answer.
12.
Well, you can see the bottom layer has 4 unit cubes. So the second layer would have 4 unit cubes, and a third layer would have 4 unit cubes. When you put that all together, you can see this whole shape would have a volume of 12 unit cubes. Now here's your last problem for this video. What is the volume of this rectangular?
Find out.
15.
Ma'am, 45.
The test 15, Samriddhi, 15 तो एक layer है. 45. 15 plus 15 plus 15. There are 3 layers.
Ma'am,
Got it?
43. Ma'am, 43.
45.
45.
Yes, 45. Just check, Yash. Yash, please check. On the first layer, there are 15. 2 more layers you have to make. So what will be the total volume of this rectangular prism?
Ma'am, 45.
45.
Yes. Okay. Understood about how to find the volume of the 3D objects?
Yes, ma'am.
Just a minute. Thank you, students, for
Ma'am.
today's class.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you.
Bye, ma'am.